Hello guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk about some tips and tricks, and this will be our last video in our invoices series. In the next video we'll be going to bank reconciliations. In this video I will be talking about some tips and tricks which will help you make better and faster invoices in Xero. So without wasting any time, let's go to trick number one. So our first trick is how can we set up a default invoices, a due date, and among other things. So you need to go to setting, invoice setting, and this is the interface. So here are some options. New branding theme, we'll be talking about this as well. Default setting and payment services, invoice reminder. Invoice reminder, I have already created a detailed video, I will link it here. So you need to go to default setting, and here you will see your if you wanna select a default due date for your bill or your invoices. So let's say I'm gonna default 10 days of the following month, or days after the invoice date. Okay, so I'm gonna select this, and you can also customize this invoice number, a credit note number, and they are perplex and everything, and you just hit save. The next thing I want to show you is that you can also set a default due date for specific customer, and for every customer individually. You need to go to the customer, then you will click the customer, and you will come down here, financial details. So for this customer there is no setting, financial details, and here you will see all the financial related detail, and among other detail like addresses, email, to send it automatically. You don't have to put an email every time. So I'm gonna come right down here. I can add bank account detail here, tax ID number, the currency, select account like sales, etc. And here you will see invoice due date. So for this customer we have some more days. So I will here 15 days of the following month. Like if I invoices on 30th date, it will be due on the following 15 date of the next month. And I can also days after the invoice date, the date I invoice it will be due after 15 days. And I can also text inclusive, exclusive, and you can customize it related to your customer. And if you are also the customer for this client, you can here also add a purchase detail as well. So you save and close, and whenever you wanna save invoice to this customer, the due date and among other things will be automatically updated there. The third trick I'm gonna show you how can you send invoices in group. Like for example, you have 4 to 5 customers and they have the same subscription, or they have the same services you are offering every month, and you don't want to invoice, because invoices are exactly the same, the due dates are the same, and everything is the same. Just the difference is the customer, every other customer. So you don't have to create a separate invoice for everyone. So what we can do, we can create a group of the contact, and then we can send invoices to them. So once again, I'm gonna come down here in customer, and I'm gonna come right down here and select a bunch of my customer, and I'm gonna add it to group. So these group are already created. I'm gonna create a new group here, and I'm gonna name it training ABC, whatever. Right? I'm not really good at spellings, so this is really terrible. Training ABC and create, and then you need to select it and add to group. Okay, now this group is created. Now I'm gonna go to invoices, and whenever I invoice them, and I'm gonna click on, so all my group will be shown right here. So the one we created, it is here. I'm gonna click here, and the invoice will open. So I'm gonna select the due date and everything, the reference and dollar, and then I'm gonna select a bunch of item just to say. So this is our invoice, for example, and here you cannot send it or upload it directly, so you just have to create a drop. So create 4 drop invoices, click here, and 4 drop invoices will be created right down here. So these are our invoices. So then you can select it all, and you can delete it or approve it. Now submit for approval. I'm gonna approve it right here. Okay, and our invoices will be approved. Okay, so that's how you can create a bunch of invoices. Now the last trick I want to show you is related to invoices customization and branding. So we're gonna come again or down here, setting, and invoice setting, and just click new branding theme. Okay, so first I'm gonna ABC new. Okay, so I want a US letter or A4. I'm gonna select A4, and the fonts should be, my font should be Cambria. I'm just selecting the font size should be 998, whatever, 10 is okay. And drop invoice title is drop invoice, and I'm gonna leave everything right down here because this is okay. And then I'm gonna check show text number, show column heading, and show item code as well. Okay, show unit price, so you can show logo, and you can check everything right here whatever is necessary. So this is a credit card you can add. Okay, so and then you can also write down here your term of payment and services, your instruction to your, and logo alignment and text exclusive. And I can also change. I'm gonna write down here Excel books. Okay, so you can customize this with your own preferences and save. I just gave it an overview to you. You are new, and then you can edit, copy it, or preview it. This is your, so I just did not upload anything. A logo you can upload thing, and you can customize it. So this how it will show it in your mobile and your computer. So that's it, folks. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button so I can upload more video like this related to accounting, related to Excel, and related to accounting software like Xero, QuickBook. Thank you for watching.